Oh my God, look at this. Who is ready to make this creamy, delicious, loaded baked potato pot pie? Start off with a bunch of seasonings like seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, parsley. Throw it on the chicken breasts and rub it all in. We're going to roast them. We're going to dice up some celery, some carrots, and then we're going to set them to the side. Get our potatoes. I used russet potatoes for this recipe. You can use any potatoes that you like, gold, red, or the russets. We're going to dice it up, set it to the side, and then we're going to cut up some broccoli. I like my broccoli mini size on this recipe just because you don't want huge, big chunks of broccoli in your pot pie. I got some baby portobello mushrooms. You can use any kind of mushrooms. We're just going to slice them up and saute it with some bacon, but we're going to crisp up our bacon first. You want crispy bacon, not that wobbly stuff. All right, so then we got diced up onions, some minced up garlic, and our mushrooms. We're going to saute it all together and then throw in a little bit of flour, about a tablespoon and a half. We're going to make our roux, so our pot pie will be nice and creamy. And then our roasted chicken breasts. I roasted them on 400 for about 22 minutes, and then I diced it up. Then we're going to mix it in there with our roux, the garlic, the onions, and the mushrooms. Throw in our mini broccoli, and then our carrots and our celery and the potatoes. I used water because I did not have chicken stock, but we can always throw in our chicken base to give it that delicious chicken flavor. And then a little bit of heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and then we cannot forget the bacon. You got to put that bacon in there. Then we're going to get our Pillsbury pie crust and shape it into the pan, any pan. I use the square pan because I'm feeding a family of 6. I put the pie crust on the bottom and the top, and then I brushed it with some egg yolks so it could be nice and golden brown. After 40 to 45 minutes, the pie came out looking just like exactly how I wanted. So delicious. This recipe is so delicious. You gotta try it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for me.